everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook grilled chicken with potatoes and asparagus. And for the ingredient I have 500 grams of chicken breast, 700 grams of potatoes, and 500 grams of asparagus. Okay, and I also have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, and I also have olive oil. Okay, right now I'm going to mix everything together. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to combine everything together. Okay, right now I'm going to put the sauce all over the chicken, potatoes, and asparagus. Okay, right now I'm going to cook inside the oven for 30 minutes. For asparagus, right now I'm preparing to cook inside the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, and right now I'm going to check the chicken and potatoes. Okay, let's check the asparagus also. Okay, right now I'm going to transfer the asparagus next to the chicken and potatoes. After 30 minutes, right now everything is ready. So I'm going to turn on the heat and take it out from the oven. It looks so good. Okay, right now I'm going to prepare the chicken, potatoes, and asparagus on the serving plate. Okay, right now my dinner is ready, so I'm going to eat right now. And thank you everyone for watching my recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more video. Bye. Thank you.